Pinterest is a social media platform that allows users to discover, save, and share visual content in the form of images and videos known as pins. It operates as a digital pin board where users can create and curate collections of pins based on their interests, hobbies, and inspirations. Users can explore Pinterest by searching for specific topics or browsing through categories. When they find a pin that interests them, they can save it to their own boards for later reference. Boards act as personalized collections where users can organize their pins based on themes or ideas. Additionally, users can follow other users or specific boards to see their latest pins in their home feed. One of the key features of Pinterest is its visual search capability. Users can upload an image or use a specific image as a search query to discover related pins or products. This functionality allows users to find inspiration based on visuals rather than text-based searches. For businesses, Pinterest offers an opportunity to showcase their products and drive traffic to their websites. By creating engaging and visually appealing pins, businesses can reach a wider audience and increase brand visibility. Pinterest also offers advertising options to promote pins to a targeted audience.